Hi, I'm Ekta Fegde. Actually, I'm from Jalgaon, but now studying in PVPIT Bhawdan College, Padma Bhushan Vasantdada Patil Institute of Technology, Pune. It's nearby Chandni Chowk, and the campus is JSPM campus. It's under in SPPU University. Now, what about the college infrastructure? The PVPIT campus is very large, is very good, and the infrastructure is also amazing. There is a lots of labs in each very different department: computer department, civil department, mechanical department, and also ENTC department. Library are very peaceful and the big. Also, books, stationaries are also available. The sports ground are also available, and the hostel, mess, and the canteen are available, and the separate ATM for the student are also available. The college infrastructure and also PVPIT college, in their classroom the projectors are available, and also AC halls are available in each floor of building, and cleanliness of the building is very perfect. Class and washrooms and libraries are very clean. My experience, I enjoy a lot in hostel. We celebrated a lots of festival in hostel, like Ganesh festival, Holy festival, and lots of DJ nights, and the Saturday nights fresher party and farewell party. So hostel is too much good. And the girls and the boys hostel are separated. In girls hostel has taken different rules and regulation. It's very safe for girls actually, and warden are very supportive and understanding, and also security guard are also strict, and uh, ambulance are available if we needed emergency any girl. And there are no ragging in boys hostel and also girls hostel. If you needed PG, so PG are available in that area for low rate for a student. So you should definitely enjoy a hostel. There is a 2 weeks for cultural event and a sports event, and also technical event in whole year. One first week is almost sports and the technical event, and second is the cultural event for days by day: sari day, traditional day, western day, DJ night, and the last cultural DJ night. It's very enjoying. It's very changeful for a student, and I personally done past 2 years in dance competition, singing competition, and almost a sports and technical event. So it's very enjoying, and lots of amazing events are taken by in PVPIT. Faculty of our PVPIT college is too good. There is lots of supportive teacher, and means GFM सिस्टम है, और एक GFM टीचर के अंडर 15 और 20 स्टूडेंट आते हैं. सो एज पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम, एजुकेशनल प्रॉब्लम, फिजिकली मेंटली जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो, आप GFM को बता सकते हो डायरेक्टली. GFM एज अ पेरेंट्स आपको सपोर्ट करेंगे, आपको गाइड करेंगे. So faculty is too good. They provide us notes before exam, and by recover their portion unit wise, and also guide us for the entrance exam, and interview, and empty aptitude, and also placement. They guide better, and teachers are so strict actually, and good. Most important part of the engineering life is placement. So placement is PVPIT college is very good. Most of student placed in last year and every year. This year also, third years and last year student are placed in Zaro and Zensar company, and lots of company are taken interview and apti examination in that college. There is a lots of supportive teacher who guide us for apt examination, and the entrance examination, and interview, and the placement. So it's really good. PVPIT outside area is too much better. Actually, PVPIT looks like a hill station, and it's a pure beauty. And in nearby Chandni Chowk, so CCD and Jizai Cafe and the CO2 and the food restaurants are available for weekend. It's really enjoying, and you can definitely enjoy nature of PVPIT college and infrastructure also. So it's too good. And the most important thing of my college which I like is faculty. The faculty is too good. They treat us like us as parents, and is so good. You can definitely enjoy. So best of luck.